This guide is going to show you how to get started with Zondle as a pupil and also how to create your own games. So once you've logged in, the first thing I want to do is go to the menu up here and just go to my profile. Now what you can do on here is you can change your Zondle character, you can give them different hats, you can change their hair and so on. You can scroll through depending on what you want to have for your Zondle. Mine's currently got a hat on here, there you go, and you could do that. And you can scroll through and so on. You can then press save when you're done. What you can then do is you can actually then go and play some games. So let's just save. And I want to search. Now there's two ways of searching. I can either type in this box at the top, or I can use the cloud and go and find some games instead. So I'm going to click on times tables, and it will add the keyword times tables down here, and I can then go and have a look at other games. I can then go and click on another one if I want to, or press go. I'm going to press go, and let's go down a bit, on to a couple of pages through. Let's go for the 4 times table just there. And you can see that if I click on it I can share it with my friends and so on, but if I just click on the game then I can play. Now that 4 times table will be on any of these games here, so I can go and play the Javelin Challenge or Ski Fun Day or Battery Chickens and so on. I can choose any of those. Let's try the Walk the Plank game. Now when this game comes up you've got a few options. You can embed it in your sites. If you had a Google site or a blog you can share this with other people. You can also embed and share there as well. I'm going to start and actually have a go at playing. You can see my score there is slowly counting down. 4 times 4, 16, correct. 20, correct. 11 times 4, 16. Oh, and you can see I'm moving further away. There we go. And you can go through it and you can play your game. So very, very simple. And then once you've gone through them all, then it will give you your score and it will say whether or not you've got them right and so on. Otherwise you'll eventually fall down and land in the water. I'm going to close that now. So that's how to play games. You can then go and explore. You can go back to search and go and find more, or click the Zondle logo at the top to go back to there. On here what it will show you is things that you've played recently as well. So those are the games that I've played recently, so I can go and find them if there's one you particularly like, if you're stuck on your 6 times table maybe. What I also want to do is I want to go and create a game as well. So if I go to create and create a topic there, I can, let's do French colours. I can share it with everybody. It's probably for 5 to 10-year-olds really, and public is fine, so continue. And you can choose, are there any of these keywords? So yeah, it's French would be one of them, and then colours will add as well. And oh, sorry, wrong button. French colours. Sorry, French, and then done rather than enter. There we go. So I can choose whether it's multiple choice or question and answer. So let's just have. You can have question and answer, you can have multiple choice. Let's go with red, the correct answer being rouge, and incorrect answers could be bleu, noir, and vert, and save question. And then you can see I've got one question there. I can then add a second question. So blue is bleu, and again you can add lots of these down here. Now I won't add too many, but you'll see that I've got those. You can also got a quick insert on there that you can see that I've got an option where I could just scroll through and I could fill in a table that way instead, and I can reorder my questions and so on. What I can then do is I can then go and play the game with other people. I can go and let's try the Quicksand Bunny, and you can see that my game has a link here, so I can then share that with other people and they can go and play my game. So if you do make any games, do share them with your teacher, because I'm sure they'll want to see them. So if I just start that, there's my game. It's rouge. Oh, that's wrong. Oh, there we go.
Click your mouse to release balloons to as many rabbits as you can to stop them sinking into the quicksand.
So you can see then that you can play your game, and like I said, there's a link down the bottom if you want to share that with other people. So that's how to play games and make games using Zondle.